Happy New Year to all of you. First of all, I would like to convey my respects to the respected persons sitting on the stage, sitting and standing in front of me. All of you know that 60 just completes third year. In this year, 1,115 students from 52 schools appeared in the exam. 643 students have succeeded in getting certificates. We are proud of rewarding some of them with gold, silver, bronze medals and other special prizes. We are also proud of felicitating some successful persons today. I am personally very happy to felicitate some of my successful students who got good marks in English language. However, those students who appeared in the 60 Talent Search exam are really talented. They are very attentive in their lessons. They think about their future, because just few minutes ago, when I was outside of this auditorium, I heard some students talking about their forthcoming Madhyamik examinations. They were discussing how they would make good result in the exam. Hearing their discussion, I am really impressed. So I think there are many students who are really genius. They have talent, but don't have any place to prove it before their final exams. That's why we have organized Srishti. What is Srishti? Srishti means creation. We try to create inspiration, encouragement, concentration, attention in the minds of the students. We are just trying to plant the seed of hopes and aspirations in their minds. If they water it, it will sprout in future. But should to say, there are some students who are really afraid of sitting for the Srishti exam. But if they appear in the exam, they would realize that sitting for the Srishti exam is very necessary for them, because Srishti follows the syllabus of Madhyamik examination, school curriculum, ACS examination, and also the syllabus of class 11 final examinations. So, those students who sit for Srishti exam will be able to complete their entire syllabus before 2 or 3 months of their final exams. Naturally, they will make good result in future. Those students who are afraid of sitting for exam should emulate the words of the great person APJ Abdul Kalam, who once said, "In this world there is no place, only strength, respect strength." Sorry. In addition to, SISTI is a platform where education is highlighted. All of you know that education plays a major role in our life. Education helps us to understand what is right and what is wrong, what is good and what is bad. Once Swami Vivekananda said, we want that education by which character is formed, a strength of mind is increased, expanded, by which one can stand on one's own feet. So, proper education helps the student in building up good character. So, students should take proper education, and while taking proper education, they should consolidate the relationship between them and the teachers, because teachers consider their students as their sons and daughters. They always pray for them. They never divert them. They show the right path to be followed. So, if the relationship creates, students will be able to discuss their problems with their teachers. Because discussion is a part of education. Discussion expands the fields of education, the fields of knowledge. So, through discussion, students will be benefited. So I think all the students should consolidate the relationship between them and the teachers. I also request all the parents and guardians to prepare the minds of their children to be respectful to the teachers and private tutors from childhood. Thus, a good relationship will create, and this relationship will help them in building up a good character and a bright future. Guardians, teachers and private tutors, my best wishes for them for their next exam and also for the next 60 talents exam, which may be held in the month of November 2020. So I hope all the students will follow the path guided by their parents, teachers and private tutors. I would like to thank all the persons who helped us generously to conduct the 60 talents exam. I would like to thank all the persons present here. Thank you very much for being with us. Thank you. Jai Hind.